Are you excited about camp?
No.
Why don't you want to go?
Because everything I don't like. Being outside, talking to people, being outside, sweating, seeing the sun.
Bugs.
Bugs.
So are you excited about camp? You're nervous? You're a little bit more open-minded though, aren't you? Can we yell out the window? I'll yell. Girls! What?
If you do that, I will run away.
Where are you gonna go?
Away from you.
Where are you gonna go?
That way.
You're gonna turn right or left?
I'm not gonna tell you which way I'm gonna turn.
It took us 43 minutes to get here. It'd take you how long to get home on foot?
I'm not going home.
Hey, great Peyton. Oh my God.
Gracie,
You look
look
tired.
out. I know she does. Oh.
What?
Are you excited now?
No.
I'm scared now. My stomach hurts now. Oh, it's just I'm nervous.
It's gonna be okay. You're gonna have a good time. I know.
We're gonna get attacked by a bear and die.
No, you're not.
Okay.
We heard the horror stories about when kids go to camp and then they get murdered, brutally murdered in their cabin.
Yeah, like
that's
those
gonna be us.
scary movies.
That's movies.
No, there's documents where it happened in real life.
Show me one.
Nothing goes on my phone, I can't.
Look at this one.
So how do you guys feel about sharing the same cabin?
Great. We're sharing? How do you know that we're sharing?
I hope you're sharing. Stop.
How will you know if they're sharing the same?
I requested it.
Oh, did you? $20 for each to go for their.
So weird. Look at her. Ew! They could have COVID.
Give me one. Give me that.
They could have COVID. Money's nasty. It could have been in a stripper's thong.
So? Wash
Ew.
it. Could be up in a cooter pooter.
Ew, yeah. Ugh.
Ah, she bit me.
This is 20 for each of them.
Man, he is cute.
You ain't seen the front of him yet.
Well, it looks like he has fluffy hair, tall. Those are 2 out of like the 5 markers, so.
I wish he'd walk back here so you could see him.
Come here, cutie.
Why don't you jump out?
It's probably an older brother, and like he's not even
He's
attending the
probably even
camp.
going to go to camp.
He looks too old to be at this camp. I have my concerns.
Huh?
I have my concerns about that. That's your cubby. It's your spot. Yeah. How you feeling? You say that they said it's like prom week or something? So they're gonna be asking people out and stuff?
I'm gonna say no
They're
to
having a
everyone.
prom, evidently. They get to ask people to the prom.
I'm
She
already
said
like-
this is.
Hey Peyton, how you feeling?
Yeah, she's not having a fit. Alright. Love you. We actually like you. Have fun. What time is it? Isn't it like a swim test?
I'm sure. I put you guys down as advanced swimmers because you
3 minutes and they get tired. Yeah, there's ice cream. Look at this.
what?